Hello students, this is Madhurima Miss. In my previous video, I had already given you a description regarding how the beautiful friendship grows up among the three friends Anil, Shomi and Rasti. To check on what has already happened till now, you can click on my previous video. In today's video, I am going to continue with the page number 31 from chapter 3, the meeting pool. Now here Anil is included among the list of the three good friends Anil, Shomi and Rasti. Now Anil has brought a cloth from his mother's laundry just to catch some school of fishes, and here Anil, Shomi, Rasti, they are stretching that piece of cloth from one end to another just to catch some fishes. But every time they are trying to do that, they are failing and being tired. Shomi and Rasti decided to take an afternoon nap. Now the beautiful story of the friendship is growing up is now revolving around the meeting pool which is discovered by Rasti. How it is discovered, regarding that you have to click my previous video, you have to check my previous video, there I have given all the description. Now here regarding this meeting pool, they decided near this meeting pool they decided to take a afternoon nap since they can't go for the fishing anymore, they are tired of it. But Anil was determined to catch those fishes. He is not getting tired of his attempts. So when Anil decided to go to the fireworks shop, he collected some stick of gunpowders from there, and at that point of time other two friends were enjoying their afternoon nap. When Anil came back, he blasted that gunpowder, that stick of gunpowder in the water, and with a sudden explosion, with the sound of sudden explosion, there and a hill slide took place, and along with the hillside Anil also entered into the pool. Other two friends by then woke up being startled by the sudden explosive sound of the gunpowder. What they saw was Anil slided into the water. After that they found some dead fishes scattered near the pool. Anil, instead of wasting all those fishes, which were basically some carcasses of the fishes, he roasted them and had them for lunch. But the other two friends decided not to participate in such a lunch where they are going to eat dead fishes. After all, it's not a good plan to eat dead fishes. In this way, the beautiful childhood memories were getting created among the three friends Anil, Shomi and Rasti, who kept on celebrating the days of friendship, the days of carefree childhood near the meeting pool. After all this, they went for wrestling, they went for buffalo rides, and it became a part of their everyday life. Every day they used to come to this meeting pool, they used to have fun in this way. Regarding the buffaloes, they used to kick on them, they used to yell at them, and they used to ride them. They used to urge them to move forward. When they did not do that, the buffaloes used to shook off these three friends from their backs. And after that, when they got muddy, after this wrestling and buffalo rides, when they got muddy and dirty, they used to dive into the water to clean themselves up. Otherwise, definitely parents don't like dirty clothes, so they used to clean themselves off in the water of the meeting pool. Now this was the story going on regarding in the afternoon time. This is the story going on in the afternoon time. But after some days they started coming to this place at midnight. Also they used to take bath by the moonlit night, which was a very beautiful time to take a bath. But they used to take care of the fact that their parents are unable to notice them when they are coming out of their houses. So students, this is the description till now. In my next videos, I will discuss regarding the next two pages. Thank you for watching my videos.